Canter, a key word for IELTS success. Picture a majestic horse, its mane flowing in the wind as it moves across an open field with a rhythmic 3-beat gait. This elegant movement is known as a canter, and today we're exploring this word to enhance your English vocabulary for the IELTS exam. Word type. Canter functions as both a noun and a verb in English. Meaning, as a noun, a canter refers to a 3-beat gait of a horse or other quadruped, faster than a trot but slower than a gallop. As a verb, to canter means to ride or move at this pace. Word history. The term canter has an interesting etymology. It's actually a shortened form of Canterbury gallop, which dates back to the 1600s. This name originated from the supposed easy pace at which pilgrims rode their horses to Canterbury, a journey immortalized in Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. Antonyms. While canter doesn't have direct antonyms, we can consider contrasting gaits or movements such as walk, trot, or gallop. Synonyms. Some synonyms for canter include lopey, which is often used in North American English, and the more poetic phrase easy gallop. Examples used in sentences. The horse broke into a canter as it approached the final stretch of the race course. Sarah enjoyed a leisurely canter through the countryside on her favorite mare. Metaphorically, we might say the project cantered along smoothly, implying steady, untroubled progress. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing canter with gallop. Remember, canter is a controlled 3-beat gait, while a gallop is faster and has 4 beats. Another error is using canter exclusively for horses. While it's most commonly associated with equines, other quadrupeds like dogs or deer can also canter. Understanding nuanced vocabulary like canter can significantly enhance your IELTS performance, particularly in the writing and speaking sections. It demonstrates a sophisticated grasp of English, allowing you to describe movement and pace with precision. Whether you're discussing literal horse riding or using it metaphorically to describe progress, canter is a valuable addition to your lexical repertoire for achieving that coveted band score 9.0.